Today we're gonna show you how to make iced Genmai-cha. And Genmai tea is a Japanese brown rice and green tea blend. Sometimes they call it a popcorn tea because the brown rice is roasted, and roasted to the point sometimes you do see a little bit of the white popcorn on it, but not to be confused with anything having to do with popcorn. This is a Genmai tea, and traditionally it is served hot, and we're gonna do a cold brew, and we're gonna show you how to have that on ice.
For the cold brew, we boil 1 cup of water. First, we add 2 tablespoons of Genmai tea. Right before the water boils, we add it to the tea. So after about 30 seconds, we add 3 cups of cold water. So then we leave the tea in the refrigerator for about 6 hours. 6 hours later. It's good. It's definitely something you should drink on a hot summer day.
Thanks for watching another video with us and staying till the end. Definitely check out some of our many other videos, and we have a lot more in the works for you. So please subscribe and
smash that like button.
There you go. See you next time. Start over. You wasn't recording yet.
Wait, was I supposed to do that part?
Thanks for watching another video on how to make, what are we saying? How to make what?
This tea.
Thanks for staying to the end.